Are you serious? Are you serious? Well, tonight, folks, don't miss tonight's Sunday Night Live. It's going to be a powerful show. Of course, we've got to deal with the Philippines and what's happened there, as the death toll is undoubtedly rising even higher. I've got brand new information on that. But also, we've got earthquakes in different places. And we also have another issue, and that is we have a doomed European satellite that may fall to the earth tonight. But where? We're going to talk about that tonight. That's another problem. And then we've got this unbelievable, there's an asteroid by the name of P213 P5. That's P213 P5. This asteroid is spinning up in space and shooting off rays of light. It has created 6 tails and has even changed its appearance in the last 13 days. We don't know what that means, but this is what it looked like back on September the 10th. I want to thank Delphine Hernandez and Patty Dickerson for this report. You can see that's what it looked like according to NASA's pictures back on September the 13th, 2010. This is what it looks like when they took the picture again of it on September the 23rd, 2013. It totally changed its shape, but it still has the rays of light permeate from it, spinning like spokes on a wheel. Are you serious? That's not possible. It's not possible to spin in space and fire out different tails, growing tails, basically. Well, I guess it is possible since it's happening. But the question is why? Well, we've got a lot of information about it tonight that we're going to share with you that might help us understand. Is it a comet or is it an asteroid? And the Hubble telescope took those pictures from space. And we're going to talk about it. Those are pictures released by NASA. We're going to talk about earthquakes, of course, the tremendous typhoon that has devastated the Philippines. But here's the next problem. Vietnam, you're next. This thing is still a Category 4, headed right for Vietnam in the lowest area. It's going to bring a huge storm surge right into the lowest area there in Vietnam where 19 million people live. And my fear is it's like the 9th Ward in Katrina times 10, the number of people times 10. So what I'm concerned is that we might have a greater loss of life in Vietnam than even in the Philippines. There is so much to be in prayer for, not counting all the rest of the current world events as relates to the Iranian nuclear negotiations with the P5, the permanent 5 nations in the Security Council, which is Russia and China and America and France and Britain, plus Germany. Throw that one in. And those 6 countries have been negotiating with Iran over their nuclear objectives, including nuclear weapons, grade uranium. And even John Kerry went there. We got to give you an update on what's going on with that. Israel's furious. We've got to bring this out. And there's a lot to talk about as relates to current world events and Bible prophecy. So please, don't miss tonight's special edition of Sunday Night Live. Are you serious? Sunday Night Live. Go to my website at www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. That's www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. God bless you, and we will see you this evening. God bless. 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern, by the way.